Have you ever wondered why some businesses thrive in government contracts while others struggle to even get their foot in the door? What if I told you that there's a way to unlock millions of opportunities, but it comes with a few challenges that you need to overcome? Stick around, because today we're gonna talk about the real benefits and challenges of working with government contracts and how you can make it work for your business. But before we get started, hit the subscribe button if you're ready to level up your contracting game and turn your business into a government partner powerhouse. Don't forget to share this video with others aiming for success. If they can do it, you can too. If you're new here, I'm Dr. Melissa J. Williams. Again, this is Dr. Melissa J. Williams. Live your best life doing what you love. Government contracts is often seen as the golden ticket for businesses. Why? They offer financial stability, long-term opportunity, and a chance to scale your business like never before. But here's the thing. Not everyone knows how to navigate this space. And that's where the real challenges begin. Today, we'll cover both amazing benefits and tough challenges so that you can make an informed decision. So let's start with the good stuff, the benefits. So, number one, financial security. Government contracts are known for their steady and reliable payments. While private clients may delay payments, the government operates on a fixed schedule. Imagine having the peace of mind every month. Number two, credibility. Winning a government contract is like a badge of honor. It shows other clients that your business is trustworthy and capable of handling big responsibilities. Number three, growth opportunities. Government contracts are often long-term, allowing you to scale operations, hire more people, and even expand your reach. Have you ever imagined how scaling your business through a stable government contract could look? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's talk about challenges, because success doesn't come without effort. Challenge number one, the application process. Government contracts require proposals, strict documentations, and often multiple revisions. It's not a one and done deal. Challenge number two, compliance. You're dealing with rules, regulations, and audits. It's a steep learning curve, and any misstep could cost you the contract. Challenge number three, competition. You're not the only one eyeing the lucrative contracts. Big businesses and small are competing for a piece of the pie. But here's the thing. Every challenge has a solution. For the application process, get a professional to help. For compliance, invest in training tools. And for competition, focus on your unique selling proposition. What do you think is the toughest part of working with government contracting? Drop your answer below. All right, so if you're ready to take the leap into government contracting, don't forget to download my free guide, The Ultimate Guide to Winning Government Contracts. It's linked in the description below. And while you're there, leave a comment if you would like me to make more videos breaking down this topic. Government contracts is not just about profits. It's about building credibility, scaling your business, and making an impact. But with the right mindset and strategies, guys, you can turn all of those things into opportunities. Remember, success is a system. Government contracting is a system as well. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.